Uncle Sam wake. No, I'm go run this, I go wake him up, and he no wake yet. Me check still.
You know, Uncle Sam.
And you know you deal with.
There, man.
Oh, yeah, your wife there.
Yeah, man,
Sorry
she's
to interrupt,
sleeping.
but I could show me a bake me mix of tea. Cause for morning, I drink nothing.
No.
Cause gas has picked me up.
So, a little bit of sugar may have been there now, but looking at my microwave, you see it still.
You say sugar there? Yeah, my microwave. Alright.
I don't know how to do that custard boy there, you know. Every day and get up and bother me, so. Can't bother with him, you know. Sorry, so my uncle lazy, man. Lord God, man. Wonder the boy they run this out doing nothing, burn down the place, you know. Cause his mother can't cook, his father can't cook. So I don't know if him come can cook. So I be like them have a fan. Straight up. Really need to put a room on my door cause every day the boy a come bother me.
This me say. Oh, I'm see this too, I take it.
What?
Chocolate vanilla something. I take it and mix it in.
Yes, they can't go long.
What? Any see they are sip, uncle.
Yeah man, I mean make you know.
I don't want to piece, uncle, I get the any see.
No man, you're a young boy, you know, if you drink any see him, nah give you none.
What do you mean so, Uncle Sam?
So you nah get none, sir, so go on
No,
out
I
your
like
room.
they are sip any see. You don't want to give me none. Alright, Uncle Sam. I'm sip any see, I mix it with tea there.
Alright, so do you think?
Ah.
Boy, you want any see, you're not even reach 18 yet, you're under age, you want drink. Just any see with so chang, you want. You're bright. Young picking boy and you want mash up in brain already. You know what days picking are there, you know, easy, you know, man. All the ones so fishy, for mornings she asleep. All she do is sleep. All this morning me get up, me have to look after my own breakfast when she should have look after breakfast, give me. Can't bother with the woman there, you know, man. The woman has stress. Anyways, continue watch me show in a piece, yeah, man. For morning, me I try to catch a look up piece of movie, you know. A be a disruption me I get for morning from the boy the whole day, you know. Ball.
Uncle Sam,
Yo, yeah,
mix it in now, but it here choke me. I ask if I have no hundred, I buy a piece of bread.
Denied.
so if you tea choke your bread now, go choke your mouth.
Tea, man. Tea too sweet, it choke me.
Say what?
So you say you have no hundred?
Now somebody they are broke for last week, me no plant
So
none.
your wife had to sleep.
For morning she there asleep, not even breakfast she no look after Jimmy.
Ask her if she have no hundred.
Me no think she a go have none, you know, cause without me, food can't provide in this house.
That's only broke like me, man.
I piece of land run a back man go dig up and plant somewhere now.
Sorry, so you know have the hundred, I buy a piece of bread, you know.
I say I road with me in a lot of everything I go alright, man.
Okay, I'll show you how to watch.
You say I want new power show will come out though. Me not so sure I name and remember it, me tell you.
Look like the movie there, look like you know the movie there, so.
You don't think you go know it a one new movie, you know?
Ah, kid, no show your name Chizam.
No, man, I'm not Chizam.
No Chizam that.
I see him can remember his name. Rotted. Oh, Sonic name, man, Sonic.
Sonic. Oh, you show that?
Yeah, man, so let me tell you, say I want a new show, brother.
Show that more.
Latest 2020.
2020.
Yeah.
Look bad, man.
A post action or comedy in a one, yes. Bad man.
Alright, those. Look how my link you send me, you see me?
Aye.
Go and drink the tea. Then go do for workout, you see me?
Aye, go and go do your thing, man. And don't interrupt me again, come on watch me movie, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Show man, the damn earphone plug out in time, nice part I show start.